We're going to help humanity through business. What is it that we should be teaching to these business people? What should we be researching in that brings those solutions that are relevant and address the social and economic problems of Africa as a continent?
What is your mission? And all of our missions have to be about impact as much as, and everything has to lead to that impact.
This is a very important thing to do. Yeah, you have a regional ecosystem to serve. And based on your mission, you find your metrics.
We need to educate not experts on sustainability, but integrating all sustainability topics in experts of other functionality like digital revolution, like SDGs.
I think metrics are fundamentally important, but I think there's a core set of activities that can and should be measured to allow comparison and benchmarking and partnership and so on.
The school's portfolio of intellectual contributions, whether they are basic theoretical, whether they're applied, or whether they're pedagogical, should have a positive societal impact consistent with the school's mission.